In this video we will continue this really great question that we started looking at paying a deposit, which we did here, and then someone deciding to pay 10,000 a month, which meant we had to use logs to work out how many payments it would take. Now we pick up the question working out the outstanding balance on a loan. And to work out the outstanding balance of a loan, we've talked in a few of the videos of either going the route of working out the compound interest minus the future value to date. And so in that case, what you'd be doing is you'd be doing it for 90 months for both of these formulas. Or I could, to work out the outstanding balance, I could use present value, but then I'd do it for the years or months. In this case, months would be easier, months remaining. I'm going to do the second option in this video, but just that you're aware there is another way that you can do it. And so how much time is remaining after the 90th month? It would just be 181 minus 90, and that gives us 91.14 basically months remaining. I'm going to use the decimals as well. So I'm just going to use the present value formula. He's decided to pay 10,000 Rand a month. 1 minus 1 plus same interest rate, 11% monthly, so you divide it by 12. And then when it comes to the years or months, you know exactly how many are remaining. And that will give us our answer one shot, just like that. 615,991.69. So that's what his outstanding balance is after the 90th payment. And so the last bit of the question in 5.4, which is quite realistic, it could have happened during COVID that you can't make payments because you've lost your job or something. And so Thabo experienced financial difficulties after his 90th payment, and he did not pay 91st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. So he didn't pay 5 of his installments. And at the end of the 96th, he increased his monthly installments so he can still pay off the loan in the same time. And so there's a few things happening here. The one is that he can't pay for 5 months. So that's what I will refer to as a deferred payment. So nothing's happening in the bank account. This money is just sitting, and so it's just good old compound interest. The bank just lets it grow. They tell you not to stress because they know they're going to be making more money off you. And so all it is a really simple question where nothing's happening. I just grow it for 5 months, and that's that. That will take me to the new figure that I'm now owing, which is 644,749.02. Then to work out how long it's going to take me to work out the new monthly installment, I know that the months left in this question, it should have been 182 from earlier. I'm now sitting 95 months later, and so I've got 87 months still to go in this question. And so I'm going to use present value like normal, but there are 87 months left in the question. And so it will simply be this amount, 644,747. I don't know what the monthly amount is. I just know that it's going to be a little bit more because my loan grew and I've got less time to pay it off. I'm not going to times by 12, divide by 12, because I know exactly how many months I've worked out here I have left. And this I'm going to times by the fraction at the bottom. Then in one shot, because x is timesing by this, in one shot I'm going to divide the answer I have by this entire bracket to make life easier, and that will leave me with my final monthly amount, 10,786.84, which should be slightly more than the 10,000 I've been paying throughout the rest of the question. I hope that you found that helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thanks.